Welcome to our exploration of video editing on phones in 2025. Discover how far we've come in mobile content creation. Let's take a closer look at the advanced mobile editing apps available today and what makes them stand out. New generation phones pack impressive features that make professional video editing accessible to everyone. Efficiency is key. Here are some best practices to streamline your editing process on mobile devices. To elevate your editing game, be sure to have these essential tools and accessories on hand. How does mobile editing stack up against traditional desktop software? Let's take a closer look. Check out these stunning examples of professional-level edits crafted entirely on phones. Social media plays a crucial role in mobile content creation. Let's explore its impact on video sharing. When compressing video files, maintaining quality is paramount. Here are some tips to help you succeed. As we look to the future, exciting trends in mobile video editing technology are on the horizon.